Adjusting your HVAC blower speed can seriously improve how your furnace and air conditioner work, but lots of folks get stuck trying to figure out when to use that wiring diagram inside the unit. Okay, so first off, always check the manufacturer's wiring diagram inside your furnace before you mess with any blower speed wires, because it's there to help you find the right terminals without frying anything. You want to match the correct wires for your desired cubic feet per minute airflow, or CFM, so your system runs smooth and keeps your home comfy without wasting energy. If you're not sure what speed to choose, think about how big your space is and what kind of airflow it needs. Too fast can be noisy, too slow won't cool or heat right. When you're ready to adjust, turn off the power to avoid shocks or damage. Then carefully swap the blower speed wire to the right terminal based on the diagram. Don't just guess or go by color alone. After adjusting, double-check everything's tight and secure before turning your system back on. Pay attention to how the air feels and listen for weird noises, since that can tell you if you need to tweak things again. If you feel stuck or unsure at any point, calling a pro is totally worth it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when adjusting HVAC blower speed is ignoring the manufacturer's wiring diagram, which can lead to hooking up wires wrong and messing up airflow or damaging components. Fix that by always pulling out the diagram before doing anything and double-checking terminal labels. Another common issue is not turning off the power before working on the blower, which is a major safety hazard and can fry your system, so always kill the power at the breaker first. Lastly, folks sometimes pick the wrong blower speed for their home size or HVAC type, which makes their system noisy or inefficient. To fix this, match CFM recommendations for your specific furnace or AC model by looking in the manual or online. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to HVAC work or any home project. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get jobs done right without hassle.